Hello, back again for another submission show. Yeah, thanks for coming. And let me know if you can hear me. I never know, me and audio. It's always good fun. Yes, who do we have here? Akraf, the last winner, I believe. Wishing me a good holiday for last week. Thank you very much. Could you please add my solution to the list? I would love to, but I haven't seen it. I can't add it to the poll because I can't add them after it started, but I can add it to the page. Yeah. Dave's here. Hello, Dave. Alana? Yes. How was my holiday? It was busy. I did some gardening. Yeah. Quite a lot of gardening, actually. I saw my parents. Ate a lot of cake. So, yeah, spent a lot of time with Pumpkin. So that was nice. Yeah. Hello, everyone from Bama. Hello. Good to have you here. Code Me Kathy. Hello. Yes. We hear you. And Brown Pride. Hello. Yes. Lovely to have you all here. Thank you for coming. And not red velvet cake. No, definitely not. I was saying the other day on Twitter how I don't understand the appeal of red velvet cake. It just tastes like cardboard to me. And several people agreed, so that's good to know. So let's have a look at the submissions. How can I add my solution? Says Dirtsa. In the future, with the next challenge, which I will give out in a few minutes, you just tweet your solution with the Weekly Web Dev Challenge hashtag, and then I add it to this page. We had quite a lot of submissions for this one, which was good. I'm not sure if that was because you had 2 weeks to do it. Did you find that better, or do you like having just 1 week so you get more challenges? It was a bit of an experiment to see what would happen. Let me know how it went for you. Yeah. Yes. So here is the page where all the solutions are shared. And here they all are. So many of them. So let's have a look. I don't think I'm going to get through all of them, but I will try. I will look through as many as I can. So Alana, I think, is here. Yes. Assuming it's the same one. Had this lovely one with a nice glass morphic effect. And you can add the bill total, the tip percentage. That's quite nice. Let's do 14. And then one of the stretch goals was whether you were splitting the bill. What a nice effect on this button. Yeah, very nice. And then we get a nice breakdown. Yes, hi. Hello. Yeah, very nice effect. And a nice, neat code, I must say. Yeah, cool. Lovely. I will try to look at the ones, especially of the people who are in this chat. So Dave, I know you're here as well. So let's have a look at yours. Ah, yes. This is quite cool because we have, okay, so nice little burger background. Dave's Burger Restaurant. Let's put in 200 quid on burgers. And then you can change the tip amount depending on how your face looked after dining at this restaurant. So if you're party face, you get 20. I was truly astonished with my service. Or you can input your own one. Very nice. Yeah. People at my table, I'm going to go for the party face, and I'm going to say there were 4. And that would be 80 quid each. Very nice, Dave. Yeah. I love the emojis. Yeah. Very cool. Now, anyone else here from the chat? Oh, I know that Shreyans is here. So let's have a look at Shreyans. I've added today. So we have here the bill amount. You can enter the tip, or you can give a random tip. That's quite cool. 13, yeah, so between 5 and 20. So you can leave it in the lap of the JavaScript gods to decide how much of a tip you give. And then, again, you can divide by the number of people. Very nice. Yeah. Ooh, so we've got a few more people popping in. Thank you for coming. Ineza, Michael. Can you check Dirt Sam? Where is Dirt Sam? I didn't find it in from the hashtag. Is it somewhere else? Send it over. I'll have a look. Bandana's here. Great news. Yeah. Any more who are in the chat, just put your hand up or let me know and I will take a look. In the meantime, I will look at some selected at random. Who should we go for? Emily. Oh, yeah. This is quite cool. So we've got a nice layout, I would say, here. So you pop your bill in here. There's always 100 quid with me. I don't know why. It's easy to type. 15% tip. Let's do. And then the split. 3. Oh, you can also use these. Oh, can you do it with this? Okay, so a 50% tip. Nice. And even the delete button works. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah. And then calculate, and then you get a nice little output here. A nice tip jar in the background. Wow, that's seriously cool. Oh, yeah, what I should do is tell you to vote, because we only have 11 minutes of voting left. So if you have not voted, do so now. You can, this week, choose more than one, because I thought, why not, really? Could be nice. So get voting, and yeah, we will find out who the winner is next time. Going to have a sneak peek at the results, and I can tell you, there are currently 2 who seem to be in the forefront. But I won't reveal who just yet. But you can find out by clicking through if you want. So yes. Awesome job, Emily. Yeah, I agree. Very nice. Oh, Valentino's here as well. Yeah. Okay, who should we look at next? I'll go for, it's hard to choose. I've still got the problem of who to look at. So there's so many of them, but that's good. It's nice that there are lots of them. Oh, this one, because it's got a gradient. So we've got the Red Grill Steakhouse Tip Calculator with our nice little input. I'm going to do 1,000 because it's steaks. Steaks are expensive, aren't they? And it's between 2. Calculate. Ooh. Not bad. Yeah, awesome. Very nice. That one was from Emin. Cool. Is the next challenge going to be announced today? It sure is. Yeah. At the end of this stream, after the vote winner has been announced, I will be revealing the new challenge. Yeah. I will now look. Oh, what's Amberine done? Oh, yeah. I didn't notice this at first because it's nice and subtle, but the background is actually animated. It's a nice gradient. It's moving between colors. It's very relaxing, actually. Let's do a 90 quid bill. So this is a similar scale of tip, I suppose, depending on how good the service was. So terrible, you still give a 5% tip. That's generous. Okay, good, very good, or outstanding. Number of people. Let's go with 4. And then they all appear down here. Yeah, very nice. How much JS is involved? Nice and succinct. Awesome. Is that font big enough? I think it's shrunk down. Oh no, it's quite big. Yeah, super cool background. I agree. It's very nice. I'm not sure how it's done. See if we can find out. Huh. So we've got this. Ah, like this. That's actually not too difficult. So we've got this gradient using HSLA colors. I'm not sure why it needs to be 200 by 200. Is that to do with the animation? Some trickery going on there. And then we've got our background animation here, which is this. Oh, okay. I think I know why then. So it needs to be bigger so that basically the gradient is one huge gradient and it's just moving it around, but you can only ever see part of it, I think, is what Ambrine's done there. Nice. I might give that a go myself. Very cool. Yes. Let's have a look at this one. Weed Marina with this tip jar growing a plant. Very poetic. And then, oh yeah, this is a good one. Not all good, but here, if you're on holiday and you're not sure how much you've spent, that's happened to me before. I'll tell you about that in a minute. You can convert your currency. So let's go convert our GBP. Oh, you can do both. Oh, I didn't know that. I thought you had to choose one. Awesome. Yeah, that would have been handy when Michael and I went to Iceland, because we paid on a card the first night we were there for our meal, and it was in Icelandic kronas. So I guess we'd need to add Icelandic kronas on here. But we didn't really have a concept in our minds of what the currency was worth. So we just kind of paid it. And then when we got home, we converted it and realized for this fairly basic meal, we'd spent like £80, which is quite a lot of money. Put it this way, an £80 meal in Britain would be quite posh, and this was really not posh. And that gave us our first taste of how expensive things are in Iceland. And yeah, they didn't go down after that. But it was worth it. It was a good trip. But yeah, next time I would take Weed Marina's currency converting tip calculator with me and not fall into that trap again. Yeah. Ah, I saw that trick made by Kevin Powell. Really? Nice. Interesting. That's where I get my fish fillets. Is it now? Interesting. Yeah. So very interesting idea. And that the currency conversion was not one of the stretch goals given in the challenge. It was Weed Marina's own idea. So lovely. I want to visit England. Come along. Yeah. Well, I mean, COVID restrictions applying. Yeah, it'd be lovely to have you. I'm actually in Wales, another part of the UK. But that's nice too. So, yeah. Who else? This one. Epix Me has made this cool one here. It's nice because it's like a phone, because you would be using your phone, I suppose, to calculate the tip. And you can select if it's the dining, the bar, or the delivery. Oh, cool. Okay, let's say we spent 500 in the bar and the bartender was really great. So let's give them a 20% tip. 2 of us. Whoa, that's a big bar bill. Wow. Oh, what happens if you press pay now? Thank you. Your account is now settled. If only it were that simple. That would be great. But that's cool, because you could, if you made this into a production app, you could make this Apple Pay or whatever Android has, Google Pay, I think. Yeah. Well, they're saying that. I have been to a restaurant once where the only way to pay was by downloading an app, which I don't think it should be the only way. You know, that's a bit much. Because then this is at the time when the amount of 4G you can use was quite limited, like with your data. So you had to use your data downloading their app and then pay on this app and then have this app just there on your phone, or delete it or re-add it every time you go to this restaurant. So yeah, I don't know what they were trying to pull with that one, but I wasn't impressed. Who else have we got? Oh, this one. This caught my eye because it contains coffee. Oh no, what's happened to it? Oh, here it is. Yes. So we can choose coffee, desserts. Ah. So we have this, and then we put this in, calculate our little tip, 50, let's be generous. And then it shows it here. Then we can go back to our menu. Can we add them then? I think we can. Ah, there's an explanation of the coffees. Wow. Irish coffee. My dad likes to drink Irish coffee. Caffeine and alcohol in one go. Yeah, very nice. Did I announce, or will I announce the next challenge today? Indeed, I will. Very shortly. We have 2 minutes left to vote. So hurry along if you have not already voted. And then I will show you the next challenge. Let's have a look at this one. Caro has made this. We've got a nice little gradient. Well, that's a cool effect on the header there. Let's say we've got a 70 quid bill, or $70 actually. 25 tip and 4 guests. Ooh, nice. Can you do minus? Oh, you can. That was something someone asked us in the live stream when Michael and I were coding this, if we could put in a way to avoid it going into minus numbers. Yeah, well, we didn't because we ran out of time. I don't know, maybe Florin did it last Wednesday, if you were there. Yeah, nice. Lovely. Okay, I'll look at one more arena. Oh yeah, this is quite cool. So you can add in 50, 20, need to split with 2 people. Oh, okay, I need to do one that's not rounded. And then you can round it to the closest cent, which is very handy. Nicely done. Yeah. You did it, Dave. Did you? Oh, let's have a look at yours then. Is it that one? No. This? No. Okay, I'm just going to go back here and reopen the tab. So Dave says he has done that. So we can have a minus bill, but not minus people at the table. So that means we can be paid to eat there. Mystery diners. Yeah. Adding validation with JS. Yes. That is indeed the phrase I was looking for. Yeah. Error checking. Okay. So now we come to 20 past 5, which means the poll has now closed. So let's find out who the winner is. I need this. Ooh, with 27 votes. The winner is Caro. And that is this one. Lovely. Yeah. I do like the styling. I wonder what font that is. Poppins. Oh no, this is Poppins. This is something else, I think. I could get the old DevTools out, but no need. Corianu. Huh. I don't often use a monospace, but that looks nice. Yes. So, well done, Caro. Contact me on Twitter or on Discord to claim your prize of a, what do you get, $50 or euros of Scrimba swag, depending on where you are in the world, and a free 6-month subscription. Congrats to Caro, says Dave Collison. Yes, it says at the bottom to enter a number higher than 0. Ah, so it does. There we go. Yeah, nice one. So congratulations to Caro. That is brilliant. And all of these solutions will be added here so that you can see them in the future. That's what I've done with the pricing component one. And what I will do with the future ones, well, eventually they will be moved somewhere else on the page. Haven't decided yet, but they will be accessible. So lots of congratulations. Very nice. Ah, is that the Caro that's won? Interesting. Ah, it is you. Lovely. Nice that you're here. Congratulations. Yeah, woo. Lovely. Yes, so let's have a look at the next challenge. Here we are. It is already loaded. If you can't see it, it's because of caching with Scrimba. And it means you've probably already been on the page earlier today and it's showing basically the data from there. But if you add a question mark and then any random letters or characters to the URL, you will see the new version. And then eventually it will upload it, basically. Yes, so here we are to add the new challenge. And it's a bit of an interesting one this week because it's basically freestyle. I say basically because it's in two parts. Part one is the freestyle part, and part two is a typography part. So the freestyle part is that you create an app or a site of your choice. It can be anything at all. The only stipulation is that it must include these three things: an array, a loop, and an event listener. So obviously that's pretty wide. But I know that you are all very creative. So you're going to come up with some amazing things, I'm sure. Looking forward to seeing that. So that's part one. That's the main part, really. And then part two is typography. And it's optional. You don't really have to do it. But it is to recreate and use the typography from this slide here. So that is, there's four parts of it, really. This gradient, this outline, which if you look closely at it, has different colors within the outline, so orange and pink and black. And then this stylized first letter and bold first line. So yes, yeah, do it. That would be great if you want to. And then send it over to me and I will load it on our submissions page. So yes. Ooh, Dave, we are completing the purchase of our house tomorrow. So if anyone wants to send a congratulatory scrim, please do. Ah, congratulations. Fabulous. Excellent news. Yes, maybe a house buying app you can make with this. Lovely. Yes. So yeah, that is what is going on with the latest challenge. And I'll now let you in on two exciting pieces of information. Well, three actually. So as usual, on Friday, Michael and I will be coding this. I don't know what we're going to make yet. Yeah, could be anything. Probably something to do with cats. And, oh, gone the wrong way. I think it's just skipping it because, yeah. My mind's gone completely blank. What am I doing? Yes, this is what I'm trying to do. Show you the Wednesday live stream. A lot of people on our Discord asked for material, basically, on accessibility. We haven't got a course on it yet. We are hoping to make one in the future. But for now, we have invited Carrie Fisher. She is a senior accessibility trainer to come along to our live stream and yeah, give us a bit of an accessibility 101. So if you would like to come to that, that would be great. And if you have any questions on accessibility, let me know what they are and I will do my best to answer that or ask Carrie and get some answers for you. Yes, questions. Dan Piss, if we're already working on a project or an app, can we submit it using the font styling? As long as it contains those three things, the array, the other thing, and the other thing. Probably should know what's in my own challenge. The array, the loop, and the event listener. That was it. If it contains those, then yeah, I don't see why not. I mean, I wouldn't really know that you hadn't made it especially. So yes, that cool accessibility. Great. Yeah. Congratulations. House emoji. Yeah. Yeah. So that is probably about it. It was lovely to have you all here. Let me know by whichever means you prefer if you think it's nice to have 2 weeks to do the challenge, or if you want to stick to just having one. Yeah, that would be good to know. And yeah, as usual, my shameless plug for my YouTube channel is here. And I may or may not have put some information about the typography tips in this video. It may or may not have inspired this week's challenge. Yeah, I'll leave it for you to decide. And it would be great to have you along on Wednesday, to find out all about accessibility. This link here. And on Friday to watch Michael and I chaotically code with our cat. Yeah. Can I provide the color codes for the challenge? Oh, yeah, that would have helped. Actually, they are just like the HTML standard colors. I don't know what they're called. They are hot pink and orange red. Yes. But if you use slightly different colors, then no problem. I like every week. Yeah. And yes, Dave likes a week. Good to know. Yes. Okay. Well, awesome. Congratulations once again to Caro. Looking forward to giving you your prize. And I will see you hopefully on Wednesday and Friday. Yes. Okay. Have a lovely week. Trying to find my jingly noise. Have they deleted it? No, it's here. Okay. See you soon.